Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye. I found the newest, hottest trend on YESSTYLE, which is very like Duyan inspired, Japanese, anime, Y2K style. I don't know how to describe this. You tell me. They have such fun and exciting pieces. Let's try them and see if they fit our body. We're going with the large. We don't know if that's gonna fit us or not, but then this is why we do these hauls. Look at this. This is gonna be the baddest set you're gonna see, I hope, if it fits. Let's see. I don't know. The band is stretchy. Ooh, hold the damn door. This is a large and it actually feels like a large. Usually we know to put our hopes really low with sizes because like Asian sizes are twice as small. Next I'm gonna put on this jacket. It's corduroy. I can never see that word. It's fuzzy inside and it's very thick, like fluffy, like it's stuffed. You guys gotta give me credit because I'm really trying to go out of the box and try on clothes that's not really my style, but I'm still like really intrigued and attracted to. This is very like anime inspo, cosplay. But like not cosplay to the point where you don't feel comfortable wearing it out as the actual outfit. No shade though, no shade. Is this a little too much? You see what I mean? This is like a cute little set. Oh my god. This is the brand Florimi. You can mix and match the pieces online. It shows like exactly the inspo and then the different pieces that you can like bundle together. I mean, I feel like I don't look as cool in this. I look a little like try hard. In a way, you can look so like snazzy. The jacket is loose. It's actually made of 97% cotton, which kind of blows my mind because it feels a little synthetic. It has this dingly chain here that makes it look like kick-ass or so. There's such like cute detail. What is this? It's not attached well. Oh, uh-oh. Even if you want to look like you broke your neck. I like how thick it is. There's a lot more proof to this. These pants fit well. The band is nice. Some of the pieces from this little collection was sold out, so I was only able to really get a third piece, which is this top. Which again, I'm really impressed with how this is constructed. Look at this. So this is called Pink Savior. So this is like a crop top jumper. Very crop top-y outfit. It's a little too short. The nymphs are right here, girl. You're not feeding today. The sleeves do jumble into this like balloon shape, but it's not over excessive. I mean, look at how cute this swoops around the red. It's like a different take. It kind of looks like a little cape. Actually really impressed by the construction of this top and like the quality is really nice for YESSTYLE. I think it's gonna pop off on YESSTYLE. When I was opening every package, they have like this, I threw them away. It's this dryer pad. Helps the clothes stay fresh. You know, sometimes when you order things, YESSTYLE can be a little stinky dinky. This smells like fresh laundry. So it's a little bit longer in the back, which I do appreciate with crop tops. I do like it when it's like that. The collar's like corduroy, still has a touch of the pants on you. This is the back. It's like very stiff up here actually. If I'm gonna wear something collar, it better hold itself up. I don't have enough of me to hold anything else up. I'm carrying my own burden. So I appreciate this. Okay, maybe this is a little too much. I look like I'm about to go hike. Like I guarantee you wear this out, people are gonna be like, dude, her outfit is so freaking cute. This just feels cool and chill. Pants make you look tall and long. Keeping. Okay, these are the next two pieces that were in stock that go together. This is a sweater, crew neck, whatever you want to call it. So in the photos, she has like all the pieces, but again, they're all out of stock, so this is all we have. She pairs this with like a collar shirt. I wish it was a little longer and oversized like her, but it's fine. So I got this skirt in a size large. There's a semi-stretch to it. It's not too stretchy. Cute poofy skirt. It's a layered tiered skirt. It has 3 layers, this plaid part and then like this little belt dingle. Let's see if we can zip this. And it's an actual skirt. There's no skirt underneath. Because you know how the Asians be. Protector of the creeps. Okay. Oh, barely there. Well, we'll try to zip as much as we could. If we really wanted to finesse, we could. It's not bad. I think we could totally, it's pretty bad. I like how cute the skirt is. It has this A-line cut and it has out the hip dips. I don't know if I'm feeling this top though. It should be more oversized. The sleeves are so I do like the separation where there's knitted braiding and then you have like these, I don't know, what do they call, shark teeth. Oh, it has a heart belt buckle. But then again, I look at her and I'm like, she is looking straight out of the manga books. Manga. I'm gonna pass on the top. I don't like it. It'll be on my Poshmark. You can take it. But let's talk about the skirt. Nazi little lanyard thing that dingles from the side. And then on this side, you can also undo. It's like a suspender almost. It gives so much shape to my apple body, pure apron belly, tiered, mini ruffling, the plaid underneath. But me on a daily, I don't know if I'll like just go for this skirt and then like put a shirt on, you know? Okay, fine. Sadly, we're gonna pass on this whole outfit. Okay, next I figured we could put on this skirt. No skirt underneath. Very cute like tucked balloon shape on the bottom. Has a little bit more fluff. Has a better stretch than the one I have on right now. The trim work is amazing. It looks like they actually put diligent thought into it. Every stitch matches. Every line is straight. So everything that comes with this set or this style, this lookbook, I don't know what you want to call it, is out of stock. Of course in the size large. It's definitely a little tight, but you can shut the front door. Look at this. I tried. I finessed. But I mean, it's zipped. It's interesting, actually. Now that I have the skirt on, I don't know if I like love it. It's fun to have this like inverted like balloon shape down on the bottom. The back looks really nice, doesn't it? Doesn't it look cute? Again, the front is just I do think that parachute style skirts should be a little shorter. It will just look a little bit more flattering on the legs and the thighs. For the fact that it is squeezing the crap out of my guts and all, girl, it hides my belly line pretty well. I face tuned this. It's flowy and poofy and it spins versus it being sucking in the belly area. That is a win. However, I'd like to say I'm practicing the art of letting go. So I won't keep this in my closet to like eat up space just so I can wear it when I'm skinny enough. With that being said, you can catch this on my Poshmark as well. Okay, but look at this hoodie. Nice sage forest olive green color. It's very like aspen. Super soft and fluffy. It smells really good. Let's Poshmark this. See, that's the true test. When a hoodie covers up with no pants on, hood is nice and big. I love this logo being this fake pink distressed. It looks like paint dried on. The color duo, it's working. Underneath, it has this very soft like teddy bear texture. Keep in mind also, I'm only 5 foot tall. It fits me not having to wear pants underneath and you can't see. But I don't know if you're like 5'5". Sorry, this is just for me, I like that this hoodie is also wide. It's oversized on my body enough that it's baggy but not like drowning me. I concur. I'm keeping this. Okay, Miss Thing, this is the next top. It's long. It has this diagonal cut, and then it kind of looks like I'm wearing a skirt underneath. I have hopes because it's pretty long, but also because it's pretty long, I don't have hopes. Emo doll. Exactly what I thought it'd be. There's ribboning, and then all you have to do is just tie it up, girl. The ribbons have a shoelace ending. It's a cute touch for a t-shirt. This girlie wore cute little leg warmers, and that could be really cute for like with platform shoes like this. I know everyone wants me to get rid of these platform shoes. I have not gotten there, but I will. I like that it's black, and I like that the sleeves are actually pretty long. I all like these Tootsie Rolls. A t-shirt that no one has but me in DeWitt, Michigan. I can't tell if it looks more like an oversized t-shirt or if it like looks like a dress. It doesn't feel as oversized back here. It's very Asian-esque. It looks more like a t-shirt dress. It's not too short where you feel like your inner onion is gonna release. Maybe you can cinch in the side. That could be cute. I think it's cute. Okay, these are the last 3 pieces from the same collection. Oversized sweater. It has an underneath flannel panel pattern. Very schoolgirl-esque. And hey, this one actually is pretty long and cute. Like, look at this. It actually blocks the onion. Wait, this alone is really cute. The collar is a little bit big. It's kind of too big for my liking. This bad boy right here. I don't care too much for ties. I don't even know how to put this on. Mini pop ring here. Open this sucker up. And then you hook on this little panda. Isn't that like so extreme but like cute? It's a lot. Like I would never just go out wearing something like this. Never say never. This is like such a cute little fluffy though. And then homegirl has this skirt on. This is stretchy. It's a size large. You know I've actually been really impressed with the sizes. This brand is pretty close to American size. Take what you can get. Pull up the skirt. This is the skirt on its own. It's mini tier. It has these faux leather heart buckles on the side. With this suede ribbon trace on this top layer, and then this bottom layer is just like plain plaid. What's the point? What's the point of this skirt if this top is already gonna be so big? The skirt on its own is really cute, but when you have like this big thing over it, it's like too much. It's just too much. Look at this. It just adds more fluff. These pieces work better on their own. Kind of unnecessary in my opinion. So do we keep the panda and we just take away the tie? See, the less we accessorize with this top, it looks a little better. It sucks because this skirt's actually super cute on its own. It's very schoolgirl bully. And that's exactly what the Douyin style in my eyes feel like. The length is perfect. Hides the dips, the fupa, the belly line, the apron line. Yeah, see? That looks much more doable. The top just naturally rests on your body. And then already this plaid flannel underneath looks like a skirt anyway, so you don't need the extra layer of poofiness. I'm sorry, Miss Girl, but you don't. I mean, obviously I could take off Mr. Panda. More civilized. It looks skintier in the front because of this drooping. Shut the front door. I have pockets. I love this. Wait, like even if I raise my hand up, look. You don't see my underwear. I'm not gonna be ashamed. He's my spirit animal. I like this. I'm keeping, but then I'm tossing the skirt. Poshmark! And that is the end of this video. I know it was just all over the place. A mess. I have a lot of stuff to catch you guys up on. So make sure you guys catch me on my weekly vlogs. They'll hold me accountable. Leave suggestions of brands you want me to haul. And until next time, I'll see you then. Bye. I love you.
Tell me where you